ICCT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Wednesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. People, maybe some of you made money because this, like yesterday, we talked about how I was very bullish about that kind of passed. Now we're here. All I'm sticking to is my edge that I've tested for literally 39,000 videos that I've done over the last 4.5-5 years in my freaking journey here, more than anyone else. You know, I've documented more than anyone else. And the only way that I'm looking to actually buy here is as long as the price pulls down and shows me any sort of shift, you know. And I mean, I've already have it like drawn here. That's it. If there's no confirmation here, buys are also not going to be the thing that I'm going to look to do. Simple. And people are going to come here and overcomplicate stuff, but it's really not that deep, you know. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Most of the times the spark just gets lost, and this is not a buy anymore. But as of right now, as long as the rules are met, I'm still willing to pull the trigger. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. Goodbye.